What you say, nigga? For sure. If fool said, can't get the blunt. I'm in the booth.
The camera back on, yeah.
The camera back on. What that is? That's that dodo. Damn. Had a blackout, but it's all good.
Head out. Don't run these up from the front, hike these on up.
Yeah. Fool be thinking like me. They be thinking like me.
How this shit done, man. When I get in there, get my 10 fuckers out the way.
Yeah.
And then drop my final joint. Get back in what I do. I don't smoke, bro. What the fuck you doing?
You don't smoke?
No, I don't smoke.
Oh, okay. You don't want to eat it? Oh, okay.
Smoke dog.
Yeah.
In the inside. There you go. There you go, bro. There you go, bro. You coming back.
Yeah.
Hey, who let the dog out?
Woo, 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 woo.
Who let them dogs out?
Woo, 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 woo.
Gotta shoot him in the booth.
Who let them pussy niggas out?
Work that motherfucker.
Work that motherfucker in. Might cutting all the shit out there, motherfucker. Cut all the air out. You see what it is. Might cutting all that.
Yeah, man. I got this shit over here cracking. I full master your shit, $45 a song.
Yeah.
If I fuck with you, you give me 35.
Yeah.
You record studio time, $25 an hour per hour, $35 after that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, additional hour. So fuck with me over here on such and such these nuts.
Yeah.
I would tell you fuck nigga when I mean I know y'all like to play. Wanna kill one of these niggas out. Kill a man, I'm gonna kill a nigga. I tell you, I ain't what the hell real.
Yeah. Kill a man, I'm gonna kill a nigga.
I'll tell you. For real.
Yeah. Shout out to Plaid, you know what I'm talking about? You already know what it is, man. Won't Stop ENT, man. Send you a shout out, man. Shout out to Plaid, man. Real talk, homie. You know what I'm talking about? We fucks with you, cat.
Yeah.
You hear me? Shout out. Won't Stop ENT. Got it. Who? You know what I'm talking about? Who? Mario? Man, fuck that nigga. Look. Hit us up. Payroll Tree Ball, man. Won't Stop ENT, man. That's how we do it, man. Get up with a Plaid, man. Real talk, man. Real nigga to real nigga. You already know. Bo.
I let me dub him up right quick.
Yeah. Shooting out Plaid, man. You know what I'm talking about?
Oh yeah, Plaid, man. What to do, man? Real nigga on dick, man. You know what I'm saying? Keep on doing what you do, showing love to the streets. We're gonna keep doing what we do, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Trail ball won't stop ENT. WS4E, nigga.
Yeah, you already know. CNC. You know what I mean?
Cheese nuts and crack.
Cheese nuts and cracker, babe. Plaid, we taking this shit to a new era.